Hi. So this was my second field experience. In ways it went better than the last one just 'cause it was less loud, but also kind of worse 'cause I only had one person in my breakout room and they didn't talk at all. They did start using their chat towards the end, but yeah, it was kind of one-sided, but it's bound to happen on Zoom sometimes. So how did I provide help to the teacher and students? For the teacher, I helped her because I took one of her students off to the side and taught them something one-on-one, so they probably have a better understanding of that. And so if the teacher does want to go back and do this as a whole class and go over it again, they already have some good background information on the topic. And I guess in the same way I help the student because now they know more about information literacy and finding good sources. How did I use technology in my teaching? Obviously through Microsoft Teams and all the links we got to look at and the videos we got to watch. That would be impossible without technology. What would I change if I was teaching the students the same content in the future? I would teach it in person. I would still use all the same technology except for Microsoft Teams. And if we did have to do it online, I honestly prefer Zoom. What did I do well? I think I did well trying to ask the student questions even though they weren't answering. I felt like I was annoying them, but I was trying to get them to talk, so yeah, just asking them questions. What did I struggle with? I did have some technology issues at the beginning, and then again, just trying to get the student to talk. How will I improve it next time? Beforehand, I might have a list of even more questions I can ask. I still feel like I asked a good amount of questions, but, yeah, maybe just some backup questions, or maybe better ice-breaking questions. And then lastly, what did I learn and how will this contribute to my professional identity as a teacher? I feel like it gave me more patience and, I don't know, just helped me to think of ways to get students to be involved in the topic when they don't really want to be involved in it. But yeah, I would say overall it was a good field experience. So thank you.